Everybody, heads up high. Heads up high. Let's talk for a moment here. Look, I got to see your eyes, guys. Okay? There's no disappointment, okay, in your effort, okay, in the whole tournament, the whole season. It's been an incredible journey, okay? We fought, look at the score, 8-7, okay, 12-10 in hits. Came to the last out, we didn't quit. That's us. Boys, that's us. The only reason why, okay, I'll probably end up shedding a tear is because this is the last time I'm going to end up coaching you guys. But I'm going to bring back with me, and the coaching staff are going to bring back with me, and you guys are going to bring back something, okay, that no other team can provide but you guys. That's pride, okay? Pride. You're going to take that for the rest of your life, what you provided for a town in Cumberland. You had the whole place jumping, right? You had the whole state jumping. You had New England jumping. You had ESPN jumping, okay? Because want to know why? They like fighters. They like sportsmen. They like guys who don't quit. They like guys who play the game the right way. Okay, we got down to the nitty-gritty. We're one of the best teams in the world. Think about that for a second. For the world, right? So we need to go see our parents because they're so proud of you. Okay? But one more. I want a big hug. I want everyone to come in here for one big hug. Okay? One big hug. One big hug. Then we're gonna go celebrate. Hey boys, then we're gonna go celebrate with our parents, and then tomorrow we're gonna celebrate, and then we're gonna come back home to a big parade. Okay? Got it? Okay? I love you guys. I'm gonna love you forever. You've given me the most precious moment, okay, of my athletic and coaching career. And I've been coaching a long time, okay? A long time. I'm getting to be an old man. I need memories like this. I need kids like this, okay? You're all my boys, okay? You'll be the boys of summer, okay? So for the last time, we're gonna try to suck it up and we're gonna yell Americans, okay? 1, 2, 3, Americans! Okay, boys, good job.